It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here I have another amazing dessert I'm sure you all are going to enjoy. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my Oreo cheesecake shooters. So if you're ready to get started, let's get into the video. Starting off with the supplies, I'm going to be using 3-ounce dessert cups. All links I will leave listed in the description box below. These cups do have a slanted top. So you're going to need some large Oreos, cream cheese. I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of the cookies and cream Oreo pudding mix, powdered sugar, vanilla flavor, sour cream, and you're going to need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So getting started, you want to add your large Oreos to a food processor and bring it to a fine crumble. You want to save some of the Oreos, about 1/4 cup, to the side, and then put the remainder in a bowl, and then add in your unsalted melted butter. Now you want to combine the butter until all that butter absorbs into your crumble, and then you want to set this to the side. In a large bowl, add in your cream cheese, powdered sugar, sour cream. Then you want to mix this until all the ingredients are well incorporated, or when it becomes nice and smooth. Now you want to take your spatula and just scrape your sides or scrape down to make sure there's no dry mix that is there, and then continue to mix until there's no lumps or until it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to add in our Oreo pudding mix, and then we're going to add in half of the heavy whipping cream. We're going to mix those ingredients until those are well incorporated. Next, you're going to add in your flavor, and then add in the remainder of the heavy whipping cream. And you want to mix this for a full minute until all your ingredients is incorporated, and then add in a little bit of that Oreo crumble, and you want to mix that all together. And then you have your Oreo cheesecake filling. Now here's how to create your coated rim. You're going to take your dessert cup, dip it into the filling, just enough, not too much, and then dip that right into the Oreo crumble, and that is how you create your coated rim. And you want to do that to all of your cups that you are planning to design. Now you're going to take the crumble and add about a tablespoon or 2 to the bottom of your cup. Now you can take your spoon or a little stumper and press down the crumble if you like. And now we're going to add in our filling and fill our cups. Here I'm using a 16-inch piping bag with a 1M tip to fill my dessert cups. You want to fill it up right to the rim. Now once you have finished filling it up, then you want to top it off with a nice miniature size Oreo. Now with these particular size cups and this recipe, you are able to create 18 to 24 dessert shooters. Now also, when piping and filling your cups, you can also use a pipeless tip bag and fill your cups as you see here to make it nice, easy, and smooth. And then you want to finish topping it off with your miniature size Oreos. Now remember, everything that I use in this video will be linked in the description box below. And if you are new here and you have enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how you enjoyed this video. And as you all know, it's your girl Ro about to go, and I'll see you all in the next video.